Experiencing slow charging with your Samsung Galaxy Buds? You're not alone. This video will cover the common reasons for this issue and provide effective solutions. Slow charging usually stems from hardware problems like dirty contacts, software glitches such as outdated firmware, or user-related factors, including using the wrong charger or environmental conditions. Slow charging usually stems from three main categories. First, hardware problems like dirty or corroded charging contacts on the buds or case. Second, software glitches such as outdated firmware or app conflicts. Third, user-related factors including using incompatible chargers or exposing the buds to extreme temperatures. The first step in troubleshooting slow-charging Galaxy Buds is checking the hardware. Dirty or corroded charging contacts are a frequent culprit for charging issues. Dirty or corroded charging contacts are a frequent culprit. Debris buildup on the contacts can significantly impede the charging process. Use a soft cloth or cotton swab lightly dampened with isopropyl alcohol to gently clean the charging contacts on both the earbuds and the charging case. Debris buildup can significantly impede the charging process. Do this regularly to prevent issues and maintain optimal charging performance. Software glitches can also cause slow charging in your Galaxy Buds. These issues often stem from outdated firmware or app conflicts. To fix this, start with a force reset. Place both earbuds in the charging case and press and hold them for about 7 seconds. This clears temporary software issues. Next, ensure your Galaxy wearable app is up to date. Check for updates in your App Store to get the latest features and bug fixes. Then, update your Buds firmware through the app. This ensures compatibility with Android 15 and newer, and brings charging optimizations like Update 4B2 for Buds 3 Pro. These software solutions resolve most charging inefficiencies by clearing glitches and ensuring your buds run the latest optimized firmware. Using the correct charging setup is crucial for optimal Galaxy Buds performance. Always use the original Samsung charging case and a compatible USB-C charger, ideally a 25-watt adapter. Avoid using non-Samsung chargers with lower wattage, as they can slow down charging. Also, be mindful of the charging environment. Extreme temperatures below 0 Celsius or above 45 degrees Celsius can negatively impact battery performance and charging speed. If basic fixes don't resolve the slow charging issue, battery degradation may be the cause. Galaxy Buds batteries naturally degrade over time, especially after 300 to 500 charge cycles. When your buds are significantly underperforming, consider a battery replacement. While not always feasible, contact Samsung support to inquire about repair or replacement options. Check if your buds are still under warranty, as this can cover repairs. Some early 2024 batches of Buds 3 had faulty charging coils and were replaced under warranty. Newer Galaxy Buds models, like the Buds 4, incorporate Samsung's super fast charge feature, promising 0 to 50% charge in just 10 minutes via the case. The trend is towards faster charging and longer battery life, with an industry shift toward integrated fast charging ecosystems. Future Buds models are expected to have even faster charging times, potentially reaching full charge in 30 minutes by 2028, thanks to advancements in battery technology like graphene batteries. Let's examine real-world examples of charging issues with Samsung Galaxy Buds. These case studies demonstrate common problems and effective solutions based on user experiences and expert testing. In 2025, a Reddit user experienced extremely slow charging on their Galaxy Buds 3, reaching only 10% per hour. The root cause was a firmware bug affecting charge detection algorithms. Samsung addressed this through Update 4B2, which optimized the charging system and restored normal charging speeds of 50% per hour for most users. Another significant case occurred in 2024 when users organized a petition on change.org about slow charging problems with Galaxy Buds Pro 2. The collective action highlighted widespread issues, prompting Samsung to provide free replacements for approximately 50,000 affected units under warranty, focusing on early production batches with faulty charging components. CNET's 2025 review of Galaxy Buds 3 revealed charging times exceeding 2 hours to reach full capacity. The solution was simple maintenance: cleaning the charging contacts on both the buds and case using isopropyl alcohol and a soft cloth. This removed debris buildup and restored the normal 1.5-hour charge times, demonstrating how preventive care can resolve many charging issues. In a comprehensive 2026 analysis by Android Authority, surveying 1,000 users revealed that 65% of charging problems were fixed through app resets and firmware updates. The study also noted a 40% reduction in hardware failures in newer Galaxy Buds models, underscoring the importance of software maintenance and how user education on proper handling can prevent many charging issues. Tech experts emphasize that preventative maintenance is crucial for Galaxy Buds' charging performance. Regularly cleaning the charging contacts can prevent most charging issues before they occur. Keeping your Galaxy wearable app and Buds firmware updated ensures optimal charging performance. User education on proper handling and charging practices can significantly reduce charging problems. By 2027, AI-driven diagnostics in the Galaxy wearable app are expected to help users solve charging issues automatically. Following these expert tips and preventive measures ensures your Galaxy Buds maintain reliable charging performance over time.